The news rocked the Utah Valley. After 40 years, U.S. Steel decided to close the Geneva plant forever. 2,000 workers felt betrayed. When U.S. Steel walked away, they didn't count on Senator Orrin Hatch stepping in.
Well, I wasn't going to let that go down if there was any possible way we could save it.
His first move was to summon the chairman of U.S. Steel to his office in Washington.
The first words out of his mouth were, well, we think it's over. We're going to have to shut it down. And once they shut it down, all those coke ovens would disintegrate.
Hatch persuaded U.S. Steel to sell the plant to a Utah company headed by Joe Cannon.
He personally got involved in what was going on. There are 2,000 workers who wouldn't have jobs if it hadn't been for Senator Hatch's intervention.
Well, he's a go-getter. He gets out and gets the job done that we need done.
The thing I feel good about is that we've got all these people working again. We got all of them working at what they want to work at. And they're teaching U.S. Steel a little bit about the steel business.
Utah's Orrin Hatch. He cares enough to make a difference.